Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and initiating Signal's built-in export. Open Signal, go to Settings, Chats, then Chat Backups. Turn backups on right away. Signal generates a 30-digit passphrase you must copy exactly. Once done, store that passphrase where only you can access it. It's required to restore. Make sure the backup toggle is active and wait for the initial backup to complete before moving on. This ensures a full copy of your local messages exists. Next, locate the actual backup file so you can secure it off-device. Use a file manager app or connect the phone to a computer via USB and browse to the Signal/Backups folder. Copy the latest backup file to an external drive or cloud vault that you control. Do not leave it on a shared device. Verify the file size and timestamp match the moment you created the backup, because mismatches mean you might restore an older or incomplete snapshot. To finish, install Signal on the new or reset Android device and copy the backup into the Signal/Backups folder before launching the app. Open Signal, and when prompted, enter the 30-digit passphrase exactly. Signal will decrypt and restore messages. If the restore fails, make sure the backup file isn't corrupted, that the passphrase is correct, and that both devices run compatible Signal versions. If issues persist, recopy the file or create a
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.